So let's talk about the best crypto paper trading app. Now this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So are you ready to learn how to start trading your crypto without using real money? Now let me introduce you to the best crypto paper trading app. Paper trading is a fun way to practice and you can get comfortable before jumping into the real trades, all right? So step one, you gotta find a paper trading app like crypto.com. This app lets you trade crypto using virtual money, and it's perfect for beginners who basically want to practice without any risk, all right? Now, step two, once you've set up your account, you're going to explore the app. Try buying and selling basically different cryptocurrencies to get a feel of how the market works. Don't worry about losing virtual money. It's just practice, all right? Now, step three, you got to pay attention to how the prices go up and down. This will help you understand how things really work, all right? The more you practice, the better you're gonna get at making the smartest decisions, all right? So when you feel confident, okay, that you can move on to real trading, then you go. But remember, you gotta always start small, take your time. Don't rush things like this. Practice makes perfect. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people already on crypto.com, open an account through my referral link below, because when you do, we're gonna both get rewarded in very nice ways.